Hey y'all, this is my first time really doing this. We're going to get ready together. So this is the before. Not much going on, just in my house clothes, hair wrapped up. Now it's time to come back. Okay, y'all, so all so fresh and so clean, and now it is makeup time. So let's get it done. Hello, my mahogany mavens. It is makeup time. Honey, today I did this little red, yellow, and green look. Something modest, not bright red, but And I would love for you to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're going to have more content. And just enjoy the video. Love you so much, mahogany mavens.